Grab one of those cups right there.
The big one?
Yes. Rinse it with cold water.
Okay.
Turn off the thing, hurry! It was a joke. It was a joke. Are you mad at me?
No.